Welcome to Lawn Rush. In this video, I want to talk about rain and how I deal with rain delays in my lawn mowing business. And I figure it's an appropriate time to talk about that, seeing that it is raining right now and there's no way we could get any work done. So basically what's happening today is they're calling a rain out for the entire day. It's going to rain from sunup to sundown, and it's a total wash. No work can be completed today. And how I deal with this is probably a little bit different than any other company or anything else you've heard. I don't know if I've never heard of anyone else that does it like this, and it's incredibly simple. So basically what I do is I schedule the lawn mowing for Monday, Tuesday. I take Wednesday off, and then I go Thursday and Friday. So I take a break in the middle, and I only work 4 days a week and 2 days straight at a time. I know a lot of other companies, and generally what I hear is that a lot of guys will run Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. They'll take Friday off, and they'll set aside Friday for any delays that they may face during the week. Or a lot of other guys just run 5 days a week. But the reason I do it the way that I do it is because on Monday or Tuesday, I can set aside that day for rain, and it prevents me from working too many days straight and getting too far into the hole. So Monday and Tuesday, say if it rains on Monday for the whole day and everything gets rained out, I can now move Monday to Wednesday, and it's still close enough to the actual day that it would have been scheduled for mowing. It's close enough to that day to where if I would have had to move Monday all the way to Friday, things would have been messed up. Or if I would have had to move every client that I have to accommodate Monday, say I move Monday over now to Tuesday and Wednesday over and try and play catch up for the whole week, that would affect the entire route, and that would not be good in my opinion. So again, another reason I use Wednesday is because on Thursday, by Tuesday night, if they're predicting a 100% chance of rain on Thursday, I'll get in touch with the guys and get everybody set up as soon as possible to come in Wednesday, and we'll try to attack the lawn mowing route for Thursday on Wednesday. We'll try and get ahead of the rain. So most cases when they call for 100% chance of rain for the whole day, there's enough warning for us to go ahead and move the entire Thursday down to Wednesday. So basically what this system does is prevents us from working too many hours straight. So if we were to work 40 hours straight and if something came in the middle of that, it could cause a huge disruption to the route. Whereas this way, we're only working about 20 hours straight at a time, and it gives us a lot of wiggle room. And also too, I think it's good because I don't have to concern everybody on the route with things that happen on days that they were not scheduled for. I mean, if you think about it, most people are not really paying attention to weather that much like we are because we work outside. People who don't work outside may not necessarily remember all the weather conditions that happen throughout the week. Say if it rains on Monday and then you have someone scheduled for Thursday, well, all of a sudden they face a delay for their service, and for Monday for rain that happened on a different day of the week, they may not. You'll have to explain constantly why things were moved around for that rain, because they're not going to be thinking about, oh, we had Monday's rain caused my lawn mowing to be scheduled on a different day, and you'll always be scheduling the whole entire route for different days. Now, setting my system up like this, I think last year I didn't really miss any cuts, and it also allows me to do a prepaid invoice. Like, I'll do either billing right after the service, or I'll do prepaid for the month. And prepaid for the month can be hard because when you're getting rained out and you don't know exactly what you're going to do that month, it can be tough to do prepaid for the month. So doing it like this, I know that even if I bill a client for 4 or 5 cuts in that month and it's paid in advance, I know that there's a good chance that I'm going to make it there for every single service, and I'll always be there. Now with this schedule, the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday off, and Thursday, Friday, I can also move things to Saturday or Sunday, But generally I don't work on Sundays, and I don't have to put anything on Sundays. But that is the way I do the workflow. It really is allowing for 40 hours of work, and I don't really want to go too far above that. I know a lot of other companies like to push like 60, 70 hours, and it's just, to me, it's not worth it to push that many hours. So unless some of my guys want to work on that Wednesday just for extra money, that's fine. But for the most part, I'm trying to aim and target 40 hours for the regular services that we have. So anyway, guys, comment below what you guys are doing for your scheduling and how you deal with rain. Thank you for watching. This is Lawn Rush. Have a great day. Bye.